The 2025 Toyota RAV4 has the performance and flexibility to help you break away from the routine. Featuring chiseled looks that hint at its sporty performance and versatility, RAV4 enhances the drive with refined yet agile handling. For 2025, RAV4 hits the road backed by convenience features that invite you to take the long way home. From a night on the town to spontaneous getaways to epic destinations, RAV4 can help create incredible memories. RAV4 offers an expansive lineup that's ready to hit the road, featuring 7 grades, 3 of which are exclusively hybrids. There's something for every driver. For 2025, RAV4 Hybrid Woodland Edition brings rugged good looks that inspire you to get out there and explore what the world has to offer. This adventure seeker features an activity mount, raised roof rails with crossbars, 18-inch flow-formed bronze-finished alloy wheels with all-terrain tires, and all-weather floor and cargo mats with branded badges. RAV4 brings plenty of style to every journey regardless of the grade. RAV4 offers bold good looks. Its standard LED headlights give it a striking appearance, while the vertical LED accent lights on Hybrid XSE add a touch of sportiness, especially with the available two-tone exterior colors. This sophisticated style comes paired with added function thanks to an available power liftgate and an available panoramic glass roof that opens up the cabin, creating an airy feel. Backing this versatile design is a comfortable interior that elevates RAV4's refinement, turning drives into premium experiences. Comfort meets practicality inside RAV4's cabin. Use the available smart key system to enter the vehicle and experience features like the available dual-zone automatic climate control, available heated and ventilated power-adjustable front seats, available heated leather-wrapped steering wheel, and available heated outboard rear seats, all of which bring a premium vibe as well as added comfort. Additionally, the available Qi-compatible wireless charger keeps smartphones charged, while the available 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster keeps relevant information in the driver's line of sight. When it's time to take your equipment on the road, RAV4 has up to 37.6 cubic feet with the rear seats up, or an impressive 69.8 cubic feet behind the front seats when the standard 60-40 split fold-down rear seats are lowered, giving you plenty of room for your gear. With RAV4, staying plugged in while unplugging during epic adventures is easy thanks to its available 120-volt power outlet. In addition to this enticing combination of comfort, convenience, and style, RAV4 offers exhilarating performance. Whether on or off the pavement, RAV4 brings the fun. This starts with its 2 modern powertrains, a 203 horsepower 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine on gas grades, and the available Toyota hybrid system with 219 net combined horsepower on hybrid grades. All of that power comes paired with confident traction and agility. Gas grades have an available all-wheel drive system for added traction, while RAV4 Hybrid comes standard with electronic on-demand all-wheel drive for enhanced agility in various road conditions, especially when combined with the standard active cornering assist and standard Sport Tune suspension on Hybrid SE and Hybrid XSE. When the road ends, RAV4's performance doesn't let up. Thanks to its TRD-tuned suspension and all-terrain tires, the Hybrid Woodland Edition allows you to confidently go off the beaten path and take on that next adventure. Together with a towing capacity of up to 1,750 pounds, RAV4 offers plenty of versatility. Plus, with up to an EPA estimated 30 miles per gallon combined on gas grades, and up to an EPA estimated 39 miles per gallon combined on hybrid grades, RAV4 takes adventures farther. And this intelligence goes beyond performance. User-friendly connectivity comes standard on RAV4 thanks to the Toyota Audio Multimedia platform. Featuring an 8-inch or an available 10.5-inch touchscreen, it includes standard wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to the apps on their iPhone, including Maps, Messages, Podcasts, and music subscriptions. In addition, wireless Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices and access various apps and services from Google, including YouTube Music and Google Maps. Plus, there's a standard 3-month SiriusXM trial subscription that includes over 165 channels available in cabin and even more on the SiriusXM app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. Select grades also include trials for Toyota's line of connected services, including Safety Connect, Service Connect, Remote Connect, Wi-Fi Connect, and Drive Connect. For an immersive listening experience, the available 11-speaker JBL Premium audio system offers stunning clarity. Staying connected is just one part of RAV4's story. It's also about helping enhance confidence behind the wheel thanks to its active safety and convenience features. RAV4 offers many active safety and driver assistance features. Every grade includes Toyota Safety Sense 2.5, which includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, and road sign assist. Additionally, the available blind spot monitor with rear cross-traffic alert is designed to help warn drivers of vehicles in the lanes next to them, while the available front and rear parking assist with automatic braking and panoramic view monitor are designed to help drivers maneuver around tight spaces. The 2025 Toyota RAV4 embodies versatility. It has the performance, tech, and design that elevates the drive to the next level. And every RAV4 includes Toyota Care, which provides 2 years or 25,000 miles of scheduled maintenance, whichever comes first, and 2-year unlimited mileage of 24-hour roadside assistance. The strength of RAV4's value is further enhanced in its hybrid grades, which come with an 8-year or 100,000-mile hybrid system warranty, whichever comes first, and a 10-year or 150,000-mile hybrid battery warranty, whichever comes first, making them strong choices for long-term ownership. Together with its all-around capability, RAV4 sets the standard among small SUVs. Want to learn more? Check out toyota.com/RAV4.